Good morning. Now let me read the case of the case. Actually, a person against whom five FIRs have been filed having cheated, claiming that he is a high court advocate and he is having a team of other experts claiming that chartered accountants, company secretaries, all are there, and therefore he induced persons to pay him money and cheated them. This is what had happened. And when he was granted anticipated bail in almost 5 cases, and finally when he was arrested, he was detained under a Gundas Act. That act was prevailing in Telangana. Telangana Prevention of Dangerous Activities of Bootleggers, Dacoits, Drug Offenders, so. Say, you must understand that land grabbers, spurious seed offenders, insecticide offenders, fertilizer offenders, food adulteration offenders, fake document offenders, scheduled communities offenders, forest offenders, gaming offenders, sexual offenders, explosive substance offenders, armed offenders, cybercrime offenders, and white collar or financial offenders act. So they say there was a public order to be disturbed if he continued to be at large. But the Supreme Court says that is not sufficient. They say law and order, but it should be affect community or public at large. This is what says. That what I have also earlier stated that this these sorts of judgments only inciting the detaining authorities to foist cases, mock affairs, model affairs, and artificially it is being done, and the rights of the people are infringed for at least for 6 months to 5 months, because finally the by allowing habeas corpus, by nagging, there was no full stop, there was no comma, and now all which may be reasonable under law, but logically not acceptable. Whatever it may be, that is what a field wherein a large number of young juniors are managing to survive. And the earlier occasions I used to file multi-number of habeas corpus, but nowadays I discourage them, because that became just like registering with the employment office. File SCP and wait for your turn. And one day, even if you did not appear, it is being allowed. So for that reason, accepting fees, I am not satisfied. Therefore, I allow juniors to do something. I wrote a book on the Bootleggers Act. When Arun Jaitley was holding a conference of BJP lawyers, I presented that book. That gentleman received it and just kept it aside. I do not know what was the reasons. Whatever it may be the reasons, I don't bother about all those things. So kindly go through, but the judgment may help you, may not help you, because here in Tamil Nadu, they after arresting under 420 case, they will register another affair as if he was throwing bottles and other things. But this artificiality should be put an end. The apex court should give certain guidelines. Unless and until these mock affairs, model affairs are not filed, the detention order is being covered under the judgment. That is what I say. But let them, but instead of that, the mandatory provisions of CRPC that the trial in respect of those cases should be hurriedly conducted without day-to-day basis. With for some cases they appoint special courts. Even special courts are now specially dealing with the cases, and it is also dragging and swallowing the dates. Whatever it may be, it's all right. We can't change the society. The ratio was very simple. Simply they say that it was affecting law and order, and they say it must affect community or public at large. They want at large. It's all right. Best wishes.